Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use Claude AI for client hunting. Step 1, open connectors inside Claude Chat. Click on the plus icon. Here you will see connectors or add connectors. Click on it. You will now see many platforms and websites that can be connected to Claude. Step 2, what connectors do. When you connect a platform to Claude, you are giving Claude permission to access and search information from that platform. For example, job listings, company information, documents, databases, emails, or project data, depending on the connector. This helps Claude give more accurate and targeted results instead of generic answers. Step 3, connect Indeed. Now let's search for Indeed. Click on the plus icon next to Indeed. It will ask for permission. Allow the permission, and the connector will be added. Step 4, check enabled connectors. Now when you click the plus icon connectors, you will see that Indeed is enabled. If you're on the free plan, you can enable only one connector at a time. With a paid plan, you can enable multiple connectors together. Step 5, find clients using prompts. Now let's give Claude a prompt like, give me a list of 5 companies based in Texas that are actively hiring digital marketers. The companies must have an e-commerce business. Within a few seconds, Claude will give you company names and hiring information. Step 6, make the search more specific. Now let's improve the prompt further. Add, their job listing must mention remote hiring. Now Claude will filter the results even more and help you find better potential clients. This is a great way to use Claude AI for freelance client hunting, remote job searching, lead generation, agency outreach. For more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.